Hey everyone, I am Reena and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. This video is going to be on carrot ginger soup. It's super simple to make, high in fiber, and it's dairy free. That makes it vegan soup. Hint of freshly grated ginger in this soup gives an amazing flavor. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. For carrot ginger soup, I'm gonna need a small piece of ginger, which I'll grate it. I'm using one tomato. I freezed it before using it because that way it is easier to peel the skin of the tomato. And this is 1.5 cups of chopped carrots. I am using baby carrots here. I normally use regular carrots, but this time I had baby carrots in the refrigerator. Alright, I have my Instant Pot on saute mode. Into the pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add grated ginger. Then add roughly chopped frozen tomato and chopped carrots. Just give it a stir so the ginger do not stick at the bottom of the pot and carrots and tomatoes get well mixed. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe to check out my new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button. Then add 1.5 cups of water. You can absolutely substitute water with vegetable broth. Now for seasoning, I'll just add half teaspoon of salt or as per your taste and half teaspoon of black pepper. Just mix everything. Then put the lid on and close the air vent. Turn off the saute mode. Set the Instant Pot on manual mode and pressure cook it for 15 minutes. Alright, it's been over 30 minutes, so let's check. Release the air vent first for any pressure remaining. Open the lid and I'm gonna use the immersion blender to blend the carrots. If you don't have immersion blender, then you can use regular blender to puree it. And be careful when you're using immersion blender. You can see how creamy it looks after pureeing it. Feel free to add salt and pepper as per your taste. Let me transfer it into a bowl. And carrot ginger soup is ready. You can top it with some coconut milk, cream, or yogurt as well for more creaminess. Also for extra kick in the soup, sprinkle some paprika on top and croutons on the side. Perfect for light lunch or dinner idea. Do try out this carrot ginger soup recipe and don't forget to tag Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram so I can see what your creations are. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to Flamboyant Flavors to check out my future videos.